just wanted to do a really quick update. The last video I uploaded, I talked about this guy, the Battle Zone. So I brought it over into the new room, and then I brought over this Royal Flush because I figured, probably should have a pinball machine in there. And then next thing I knew, I was picking up a Terminator Salvation. And then I ended up with a Die Hard arcade, and then a Snow Bros. So it's it started with pinball machines, and now it's starting with arcades, isn't it? But I think I'm going to stop. I say that. I think I'm going to stop for now, and we'll see how these do. Famous last words. But I don't know. I've got room in here for a few more, so maybe we'll keep going. A little bit of room on that side. A little bit of room on that side. Maybe we could put a little thing in the middle. I don't know. We'll see. So in other news on the pinball side of things, we did a little reorganizing. I took the old wood rail displays that I had in. I figured they were just kind of taking up room, and we filled it with, I don't know, can you see that? We filled it with stuff back there. So we got a little row here. I could put another one on this side. And then, let's see, I got in Roadshow. That's new. And then there's the Hot Wheels. Volcano is still being kind of a butthead. I'm really dark here, aren't I? I'm sorry. Volcano's being a butthead. Blackwater's being a butthead. But I was tinkering with that with Volcano yesterday, and I'm happy to report I'm no closer to fixing it. I don't know. So this is all about the same back here. I don't think there's anything new. I have the Hurricane is here. I did get Comet up and going, so that's nice. That was a power supply at the end of the day. Oh, I have to show you this power supply because it's the coolest thing ever. Hold on a minute. Okay, so this power supply is from Cohalt Industries, and their website is PinballPCB.com. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think this is the most awesome thing in the world. So hopefully you can see this. But it has your input power and your output power, and there's LEDs here. But this is the cool thing, is it's got a voltmeter built in, so you can see what your current voltage is on whatever given device. So if we switch it down here, that's the 5 volt DC, 12 volt DC, and it's a little over 13, which is, that's pretty common. Solenoid inputs, solenoid outputs, lamp inputs. Yeah, I just think that's a really awesome thing. Hey, I have customers. I have to go. Customers. So anyway, so that's the new power supply that I put into Comet. The old power supply had been rebuilt numerous times, and it was one of those ones that had been fried several times. Someone had stacked capacitors. It was just, I figured, instead of rebuilding this and all of that, and since it's going to be in a commercial setting, if it were at home, it'd be no problem. I could just rebuild that. But kind of what I'm doing is, if I can replace the board, I will replace the board. So PinballPCB.com, definitely check them out. They make new MPU boards for System 3 through 7, I think is what it is. And then some power supplies and some sound cards and some other stuff. And the quality on this is like top notch. It's like really nice. So if you need a new power supply, instead of building your old craggy one that's been burnt down a bunch of times like mine, I would definitely check their products out because they're great. I like them. I'm going to use them as much as I need to now. Okay, so that's my little update. I have to fix a flipper mechanism in Batman Forever back there. It actually broke, like the plate that everything mounts on broke. I have some other videos where I had worked on various flipper rebuilding kind of things, but I haven't done anything with that footage yet just because I've been so busy. So I'm going to film that and then I'm going to try to put together sort of this sort of like a collection of here are some flipper problems you might run into type video. I thought that might be kind of good. I keep saying I'm going to put out these videos and then I just don't have time to do it. So let's see if I have time to do it. I think that's it. Okay, so thanks for watching. You got the drone.